And talking about Surya, the best thing that I've learned in life is the virtue of patience.
Okay.
I've really learned to be patient from you. I don't understand from where does all this patience come. He is so patient about everything. Patiently, he actually obliges for each and everything, first of all. And he has this amazing, touchwood, sense of energy, okay? And he can just go on and on and on all day without getting tired, which is brilliant, yeah, touchwood.
Okay.
Why not in my head?
Kajal is one take artist.
Oh,
so
no, please.
anything you say, the edit point will be correct. Start to cut, that expression will start and it will end. No extra, no less. So she's got that punctuation marks, exclamatory marks and question marks, everything right on her face. So even when you don't listen to her lines, it's all there in her expression. Amazed by your Russian talent. She spoke Russian in this film. Of course, she's managing Tamil there. Of course, she's very good with Telugu by now. And she spoke Russian. That was shocking to me. I still believe that was Russian because there were only two people speaking Russian in the unit. The person who was a localite there and Kajal. So we were
basically, whatever
really
mistakes I
awestruck
made,
by her
nobody
Russian
knew except for me.
talent.
So tell me, what was your most memorable moment in the film?
Everything with you in Latvia.
Yeah,
All those bumpy rides, all those
I know, and it
jeeps,
was
the
so
water
cool.
and all that. Yeah.
There was this one scene that we were shooting in Latvia where it was an action scene where Surya and me were on ropes and it was supposed to be a blast.
Yeah.
And we were supposed to fly in the air, hit a wall and fall on the ground. And I remember how
She's
scary
not
that
bothered.
was.
I was worried more than her. She was not bothered at all. She went like a pillow. If you throw a pillow, she just almost hit her face on the wall and she came back. Nothing happened.
And the only sad part is we were not allowed to have cushions or anything down there.
Yeah.
So that was really difficult, right?
I saw the monitor and I was really shocked.
I know.
Thank
You came to me.
Thank God nothing happened that
And
day.
he came and he's like, are you crazy? Who does that? You're supposed to be more careful about it. So yes, Surya was like my instructor, my trainer over there. And he actually helped me out in a lot of stuff.
Sometimes people say I don't know how to say no, but that's not the real fact. I come from a different school. I believe in my nth number of take, like 10th take, 15th take, 17th take. I think I can improvise in my the takes, as many as takes I take. I think I can improvise a little bit, so I don't get bored at all. Thanks to Bala sir, because he says you in a lifetime a film is always recorded even after a movie is going to be there. So try not to do that error. If you think you can improvise, give that. Tell me if you want another take, I can do that. So I come from that kind of a school. But
Surya has so kindly said all those words for me. The truth is that KV sir is amazing at explaining what he wants, and so it was very easy for me to understand what exactly he wanted. And even you, for that matter, you were just really cooperative, even when I couldn't get a particular expression, and KV sir said, no, this is exactly, first of all, he's very particular about what he wants. So if you, for joy, if you show happiness, he does not want happiness, he wants joy. So he's so particular about the way he explains and the adjectives he uses. And Surya was very patient to actually deal with me expressing joy and not happiness. So
did I do that?
Yeah, you were very patient about it. And for all the suggestion shots where you had to stand and my close-ups and I had to just show joy and not happiness, you were very patient about it. And in Latvia, when we shot there, that was one hell of an experience for me. It was by far one of the most challenging shoots that I've ever gone to. I had to speak in Tamil and then I had to translate what I'm speaking in Russian, and I had to, what people in Russian were speaking, I had to translate it in Tamil for Surya. So I was going crazy. And by the end of
Kajal
it,
is there in the film throughout, each and every frame with me. She's right there, be it important scene or anything, any ups and downs in the film, be it of course song sequences and fight sequences. If
That's
I'm
why
thrown, I'm thrown with her. So it's like that. So she was. I like the challenges she takes. Yeah, let me try. If it's a lengthy dance sequence, lengthy choreographed dance sequence. No, let me try. Let me do this first. Come on, lift me. Come on, do this. She'll start giving me instructions, and she was the one who will be, charged and come. Let's do this. No cut. Let's do the complete single take. And one more thing, we were supposed to go to Madagascar.
oh yeah,
We were supposed to shoot in Madagascar, and I pulled back and I said, no, not going there. because Kevi Anand sir was there. We were supposed to leave like 7 o'clock in the night, and he calls me like 2 hours before the flight and says we are supposed to go to a location. The local team, the local travel agents, they said it will be taking 3 hours or 4 hours maximum. I've traveled 6 hours. I'm still not able to see a road, and they are saying it's going to be another 5 hours of travel to go and reach the location. Kajal from Bombay, she says, yes, yes, sir, we'll go. Come, let's go. Come, let's finish this. So she's that kind of a person. We did miss Madagascar, but we went to Norway, and we had done this superb song,
Rani Nine.
Rani Nine.
We've traveled a lot. We shot in Pune, we shot in Mysore, we had where? We shot in Hyderabad in a set. We shot in Chennai.
Rajasthan. I went to Rajasthan.
He went to Rajasthan. You shot in one more place?
Yeah, we shot in Hyderabad. The whole Russia sequence was shot here in Hyderabad. The cave sequence was shot in Hyderabad, almost 40 days shoot with all the 60, 75 plus Russian dancers.
Exactly.
But you stood separate. You stood
like that. And you know what? And the thing is, since we're talking about dance, I don't understand how you danced. You know, he was attached to somebody throughout one entire song, and I don't know how you managed that. I don't know how you danced. I was finding the steps difficult to dance alone, and he was doing it with somebody all the time, right stuck to him.
Anyway, song Brinda Master choreographed chesandi. Wonderful song. I think it was very, very challenging to do something when there is another person attached to you. Certain movements you can't be doing it all by yourself.
Chala restrictions undi kada.
Yeah. Conjoined twins, very few people would have heard. Very few people would have maybe seen some pictures, or maybe see somebody behave, or in some National Geographic channel or whatever. Maybe a few films, foreign language films have come. I think I didn't go by reference. It was director Kevi Anand and writers Shubha. I think it was 4 years of paperwork which gave me the whole dimension to do both these characters. Even when we shot the film, I think it started with 6 months old babies, twins, identical twins. They behaved differently. One kid used to be sleeping quietly, peacefully in bliss, and the other one will be and we'll have to wait and then shoot. So naturally they behave like that. Not only the 6-month-old baby, like we had different kids coming in doing those parts. Even a 12-year-old twin boy, they behave very differently. I think he's perfectly done these characters. One is a communist, he believes in communism. The other one is a Chilipai. He's such a irresponsible kid. I've never done something. Yeah.
Total brat.
Total brat.